Hello, I'm Michael Pallas, and I'm here to talk a little bit about our group's capabilities as part of the UNH Blue Economy Sandpit. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Earth Sciences, and I run a geospatial and remote sensing lab. Our group's study focuses on imagery of the Earth to look at like forest structure, snow characterization, and cyanobacteria and water quality. Our work began using remote sensing techniques to look at the impact of tropical logging in Brazil. From there, we started to look at LiDAR remote sensing to look at forest structure. We've also developed algorithms that delineate individual trees and crowns and counts them, such as this example. And we've also deployed a terrestrial LiDAR system at various places around the planet. Our lab in Morse Hall has thermal LiDAR hyperspectral sensors with various drones that can be deployed. We've been looking at hyperspectral data from Lake Sunapee to look at cyanobacteria, and hyperspectral data to look at foliar nitrogen at Harvard Forest. We've also been flying snow depth estimates using LiDAR at Thompson Farm here in Durham. Here's an example of kind of the LiDAR system calculating where the trees are and penetrating to look at the baseline ground. We've also done work with remote sensing using a fixed wing drone in Eastern Oregon, and also used the same fixed wing drone in Sweden above the Arctic Circle to look at permafrost collapse. And here we have a near infrared camera on our drone. We've flown this site over 8 years. We skipped 2020 due to COVID and have a great time series of the permafrost collapse. We've also expanded and done hyperspectral work in Northern Canada. And here we're comparing different vegetation cover types and trying to predict them using neural networks. We've also done some geospatial modeling of past human impacts on the Amazon, the whole Amazon basin. We've also been using Corona satellite imagery, spy satellite imagery from the 1960s to look at fire burn scars in the Amazon. We're currently looking at fires in the Amazon from 2012 to 2022 with ongoing work. Thanks so much for your time, and I'd be happy to answer any questions about our drone capabilities and our remote sensing capabilities. Thanks.